Heat 2. Lane 2 is Boulder Swimming, Julia Box in the water. 4, North Bay Aquatics, that is Tess Brown. And lane 6, Santa Clara Swim Club B team, that is Sandra So. Lead split of 108.04 from Boulder Swimming in lane number 2. That was Julia Box. Your breaststroke swimmers now in lane 2 is Haley Rowley, 4, Bridget Winkler, and lane 5 is Serena Isleta. Serena Isleta taking over the lead for Santa Clara B team. 2:25.20, halfway through the race. And now your butterfly swimmers for Boulder Swimming in 2 is Sarah Nash. For North Bay, lane 4, Isabel Kitsey. And in 6, Santa Clara B team, Riddy Zai. Santa Clara B still leading from lane number 6. That is Riddy Zai coming to the wall. And after the final exchange, here are your swimmers. Amanda Ritchie is in 2 for Boulder. Charlotte Kamai in 4 for North Bay. And Sarah Shimomura and 6 for the Santa Clara B team. And Shimomura to the wall. 4:31.63, the winning time here in heat number 2 for Santa Clara. North Bay at 4:33.41, and Boulder 4:40.50. We've got one more race for you, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a fine one. The men's 400-meter medley relay meet record 3:39.48 set in 2009 by Australia.